Welcome back to the Keg King channel. I'm Daniel. Today we're going to talk about FasTap fonts. Font kits are really important these days because people are putting in bars all over the place. And if you just need a font to put on top of your counter, you're building your own kegerator or doing anything where you require just an easy to put together font, you can't get better than the FasTap variety. The FasTap line of kegerators has been the most popular line of kegerators that we've ever sold at Keg King. Mostly because they're super easy to put together because they're already put together. They have pre-assembled fonts, they have pre-assembled gas lines, and basically you just get them, put them all, the last bits of them together, and you've got yourself a kegerator however you want to use it. So we thought it'd be a great idea to also offer just the fonts for those of you that have other types of projects where you need a font. So whether you're building your own bar, whether you're building something based on a countertop, on top of a freezer, or your own kegerator system that you want to use, or if you just want to put a fancy jockey box together, you can get a FasTap Font Kit fully assembled, and it's going to come with the gas lines too. Because each FasTap Font Kit comes with the amount of gas line to run one corny keg or one other keg, however you'd like to, when you get the kit. So, if it's a single, it's got a single gas line. If it's double, it's got a double gas line. The triple, and there is a 4-tap FasTap coming. So with the 4-tap, you'll get 4 gas lines as well. It's a really great deal because it makes everything so much easier. It also comes with all the mounting hardware. So each one comes with the 5-in-1 tap tool, so you can tighten up the shank around the tap if you need to. The mounting hardware for putting it on top of whatever you're going to put it on top of, and of course the gasket for keeping things nice and sealed. If you're running a font fan, it'll have a nice seal on it to return the air back into your kegerator system. So they're really nice and easy to assemble. When you get them, they're going to look like this. So each FasTap is going to come boxed just like this. So when you open it, everything's pre-assembled inside the box. This is the triple tap version, and it has this incredible 3-way gas splitter for the 3 ball lock gas disconnects that you're going to have that come with the font. But also, it has the pre-assembled font without the tap handles on it. Everything comes inside the box, so it makes it really simple to just push one button, order everything you need for a tap system. If you're running corny kegs, great, you've got the disconnects on them already. If you're not running corny kegs and you want to just use them for coupled kegs, you can take the disconnects off and the DM push fittings that go with them. So all of these kits come as push fittings with disconnects. But if you don't need the disconnects because you're running, say, commercial kegs, you can take the disconnects off and just run the gas lines from your regulator to your couplers. We also are giving you the DM push fittings in this kit and all the other FasTap kits as well. DM is the best push fitting we've ever seen. It's industry approved, they're brewery approved, they're bomb proof, they're great push-in fittings, and they now come with all the FasTap kits. All of our FasTap kegerator kits are also DM push fit. So we're really proud to be offering these kits for you for whatever your font project is, where you're building something and need a FasTap font because it's already pre-assembled and already has gas lines included with it. So thanks for watching, brewers. Check out FasTap Font Kits from Keg King, and we'll see you next time.